In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get database 499 in Notion. If you are connecting Notion to an integration, an automation, or a script, you'll often be asked for a database 499. It's not visible on the page itself, but it's easy to grab once you know where to look. And it only takes a moment. First, open the database you want to use inside Notion. This could be a table, board, list, or any database view. Make sure you are on the main database page or an open database view, not just a linked preview somewhere else. In the top right corner of the window, click the Share button. You don't have to change any permissions for this. We're only grabbing the link. In the Share panel that appears, select Copy Link. This copies the full page URL to your clipboard. Don't worry if the link looks long or has extra characters at the end, that's normal. We're going to extract exactly what we need from it in the next step. Now, paste that link into a plain text editor. This could be Notepad, TextEdit, or any notes app where you can see the full URL clearly. Using a plain text editor helps avoid formatting issues and makes it easier to spot the exact characters we need. Look at the pasted link and find the final /. Immediately after that slash, you'll see a block of characters. The database 499 is the 32-character string that appears right there, before any question mark and anything that follows it. For example, if your link ends with something like /m database name followed by a long string of letters and numbers and then you see vfay or pvsfay afterward, you want only the 32 characters before that question mark. It should be made up of letters A through F and numbers 0 through 9. Count to make sure you have exactly 32 characters, no more, no less. Don't include the slash, don't include the question mark, and don't grab any trailing text. Once you've highlighted that exact 32-character block, copy it. That is your database 499. You can paste it into your integration settings, your API request, or wherever it's needed. If something doesn't work later, double-check that you didn't miss a character or accidentally include the question mark. A quick recount to 32 is a simple way to be sure. That's all there is to it. You've successfully located and copied your Notion database 499. Thanks for watching.